This is Sika. You are now watching Eat San Francisco Style. San Francisco has so many food choices. Someone could eat at different places every day of the year. In this show, I will guide you to different restaurants to taste the best food San Francisco has to offer. Only in San Francisco. Are you ready? Let's go! Good morning. Did you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Having a good breakfast can start you off to a wonderful day. So today, we are going to the best breakfast restaurant in San Francisco, named Mama's. Ready to go?
Mama's is located at 1701 Stockton Street.
Every day, there are a lot of people who stay in line waiting for breakfast. Mama's is a family business owned by the Sanchez family. There are lots of magazines, food channels, and websites that introduce this place, like Target, Yelp, New York Times. Okay, finally I got my breakfast. It's French toast dumpling, and look at the dishes, so cute and very colorful. I think there has like blueberries, the strawberry, bananas, and I should make this on it. This is a very delicious homemade strawberry jam. Can't wait! So excited! Let's start!
I ordered the shrimp benedict. I liked it a lot.
I ordered the Monte Cristo sandwich. Probably one of the best sandwiches I ever had.
I hope you like the breakfast as much as I did. Next time, I will show you where you can eat the lunch in San Francisco style. Remember, only in San Francisco. Happy eating!